Good morning, y'all. Just wanted to stop in and say hi. Tina Shake from Bloomfield, Indiana. Just got a little bit of social impact this morning. Want to know how you are in your world. It's exciting. It's a Friday. It's almost time for the weekend. That's enough to right there to be happy. And I hope you are happy today. I wanted to just stop in really quickly and let's talk about some subject that I had spoke about, I don't know, it was a couple weeks ago, I think. I lose track of time. About social impact, and then I wanted to talk today about one small way you can make a social impact. Hey, Nancy. So one small way you can make a social impact today is that when you ask somebody today, how are you? Really pay attention, and maybe they're not great, and if they're not, just lend a helping ear, or just listen and give some encouragement today to someone. Oftentimes we ask, how are you, but we really don't want to hear, and when they tell you how they are, you're kind of doing the eye roll thinking, oh my God, why did I ask that? Let's work on not being that way, because life was meant to share, and it was meant for us to lock arms and be a source of support. And what made me think about this today is I saw this quote. I want to read it to you, and it kind of hits home when you think about all of the people that walk by you, what may be going on in their life and you don't know, and maybe they're having a bad day and you just think they're a witch, with a B, but really they got something going on. So listen to this quote. I wanted to talk about it, damn it. I wanted to scream. I wanted to yell. I wanted to shout about it. But all I could do was whisper, I'm fine. So think about that today. Just have a little bit of compassion today. Have a whole lot of compassion. You got a friend, someone's having a hard time. Just take them aside and say, how are you really? Is there something I can help? Let's talk about things. You can do a messenger and just ask somebody, how's things going? I know a few people that I'm going to reach out to this weekend and just be a sounding board for them. So, all right, I hope your weekend is amazingly fun. I hope you talk to yourself kind. I hope you talk to other people kind this weekend, and always, of course. And let's just make our lives the best it can be and make a social impact. However your heart leads you, make some type of social impact. We have to start being in our own little world. We have to start spreading some joy around. We have to start spreading some support and help our fellow sisters and brothers just get through those rough patches. All right, you guys. Hey, Heidi, how are you? So, I'm going to sign off just because I wanted to talk more. I'm going to do a longer one, but what it's going to be is I'm going to do some kind of craft, but I really want to talk to y'all while I'm doing it. So, I may do that this weekend one evening. If you don't know, I'm changing professions. I'm still going to be insurance on the side because I'm going to be specializing in life insurance. But other than that, I'm doing my skincare, and I am going to be starting with a medical device company here pretty soon. So, hey, life is exciting. It's not meant to be stagnant. So, hey, Heidi, you know what? I'm doing really good. I have been working on proving to the IRS that my identity hasn't been stolen. I've been on the phone for 2 different people. I've been in the office trying to prove my identity wasn't stolen. So that's what I'm doing this week. Oh, next week too, proving that my identity is safe. Hey, Brianna. Okay, y'all, I gotta go. I got a 45-minute drive, and I do not like to be late. I always like to be like 10 minutes early. So, okay, have a great day.